Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to simply change the mop swing settings on Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Max. Mop swing settings means one of the mopping pads, the right one, on your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Max can swing out in order to clean the corners and edges better. Now, it can be changed in the settings, so click on three dots in top right corner and find Mop Swing. You can enable it so it functions. As you can see on the picture, this is what it looks like, and you can set it to perform that once every 7 days, because it takes more time to do that. And also you can set it to perform on every cleanup task if you like it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.